Why is it so easy to start a bad habit, but so hard to stop it? Why do we keep checking our phones, procrastinating, eating junk food, or delaying important work, even when we know it's not good for us? The answer isn't laziness. The truth is much more interesting. Your brain is actually designed to build habits automatically, and once a habit is formed, it becomes deeply wired into your brain. In this video, we will explore the hidden science behind bad habits and how your brain turns small behaviors into powerful automatic patterns. Your brain loves efficiency. Your brain consumes a huge amount of energy. Even though it is only about 2% of your body weight, it uses around 20% of your body's energy. Because of this, the brain is constantly looking for ways to save energy. One of the best ways it does this is by turning repeated behaviors into habits. When something becomes a habit, your brain no longer has to think about it consciously. It runs the behavior almost automatically. This is helpful for useful behaviors like driving, brushing your teeth, or tying your shoes. But the same system can also create bad habits. The habit loop. Psychologists often describe habits using something called the habit loop. The habit loop has three main parts: cue, routine, reward. First, a cue triggers the behavior. This could be boredom, stress, a notification, or a certain time of day. Next comes the routine, the behavior itself. For example, scrolling social media, eating junk food, or delaying important work, even when we know it's not good for us. Finally, there is the reward. Your brain receives a small dopamine boost that makes the action feel satisfying. Over time, your brain starts to associate the cue with the reward. Eventually, the behavior becomes automatic. The role of the basal ganglia. Deep inside your brain is a structure called the basal ganglia. This region plays a major role in habit formation. When you repeat a behavior many times, the basal ganglia stores that pattern so it can run automatically. That means the behavior can happen with very little conscious effort. This is why you sometimes check your phone or open an app without even realizing you did it. Your brain has already automated the behavior. Why bad habits feel so strong? Bad habits are powerful because they often give fast rewards. Your brain loves immediate rewards. Scrolling social media, eating sugar, or watching entertainment gives your brain a quick dopamine release. But healthy habits like studying, exercising, or building skills usually give delayed rewards. Because of this difference, the brain often chooses the behavior that feels rewarding right now. How habits rewire the brain. Every time you repeat a habit, your brain strengthens the neural pathway behind that behavior. This process is related to something called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt. The more a behavior is repeated, the stronger that pathway becomes. That is why habits can feel almost automatic after a while. Your brain has literally wired the behavior into its structure. How to break bad habits. The good news is that habits can be changed. But instead of trying to remove a habit completely, scientists suggest replacing the routine. Remember the habit loop: cue, routine, reward. Instead of removing the cue, try changing the routine. For example, if boredom triggers social media scrolling, you could replace the routine with reading, walking, or learning something new. The brain still receives a reward, but the behavior becomes healthier. Small, consistent changes slowly build new neural pathways. Bad habits are not a sign of weak willpower. They're simply the result of how your brain is designed to work. Your brain is constantly trying to save energy and repeat behaviors that feel rewarding. But once you understand the science behind habits, you gain the power to change them. Because the same brain that creates bad habits can also build powerful good habits that transform your life. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Psycacademy for more psychology and neuroscience content that helps you understand how your brain really works.